All right, so hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Oriana if you're new. If you're not, hey girl, hey. So today we are getting out the house. We're about to run some errands with my good sis today and just get out the house a little bit because yeah, we just want to have a little girls' day, a little outing. It's supposed to be snowing, but it's just raining right now, so we're just gonna dress cute. We're gonna dress warm. We're gonna go out and just like explore a little bit so we can get out the house. She's wearing this gray set. I think this is probably like from Walmart like 3 years ago. But yeah, I'm just wearing this gray jacket and these gray sweats. I'm just honestly about to curl my hair a little bit. Looking for actually my headband so I can kind of put that on with it, but I really can't find it right now. I'm currently vlogging off my G7X. I did my last video off of my Canon RV50. I think I need to play around with the settings on there to like get the color right because it's just a little bit like gray in my opinion. But yeah, I'm just gonna curl my hair a little bit to give it a little bit of body. And honestly, my hair has been holding a great curl, so I have not even had to put much heat on it. Okay, so I am dressed. Okay, so this is the outfit today. I'm wearing my Nike Vomeros. These are my favorite to wear when I'm going out shopping because my feet feel amazing in them all day. But yeah, this is the look for today. And yeah, fingers crossed that is not too cold. I will pick y'all back up once we get wherever we're going. I don't really know where we're going yet, but yeah, I'll pick y'all back up in a little bit. Okay guys, we're at Sam's Club. It's freezing. I do need a TV too. Anyways, we're looking at TVs. I want a cute little 50-inch TV for my room. I don't want nothing blasting my eyes back and giving me no headache. Okay y'all, so it is the next day. We actually went to Sam's Club yesterday and it was just so packed in there, so many people and so much going on that we just literally decided to grab something to eat and just be like, you know what, we'll just do Sam's Club another day. I didn't get much footage from yesterday and I didn't even purchase anything from Sam's Club, but that's fine. Today I did get a grocery order, which you guys saw. I just got a few items for the week. I also have some stuff from Amazon that I wanted to do a haul for you guys to show y'all, like some of the small items that I've been purchasing. This is the bag of things here, so let's get into a quick little Amazon haul. So on the top of my list are actually these LED night lights. It comes in a pack of 6 and they do plug into the outlets in your wall. These are really good. I was looking for some soft lighting just so that I don't have to have on the big lights all the time. This is perfect for at night. I just plug them up in the hallway, in the kitchen, in the bathrooms, and I literally don't have to turn on the lights. I would rate these a 10 out of 10 and I would purchase them again if I need to. Second thing from Amazon, if you watch my most recent vlog, you will know I've already showed it in that video. If you have not seen that vlog, go ahead and check it out. It's my new Febreze plug-in in the vanilla suede scent. I've never had this in the plug-in, only the air freshener, and I've actually been using the plug-in and it's really good. That has been a good purchase as well. It's another item that I'm already using. I purchased the 1024 gigabyte memory card. This one is actually working out really nicely. So the final thing that I purchased from Amazon is this ORS olive oil shampoo and conditioner. I actually have been needing this because I do shampoo and condition my own hair sometimes at home in between my salon visits. So this is going to come in clutch I've used other things from their brand before, but never this specific shampoo and conditioner. I'll be sure to keep you guys posted on that. I just wanted to share with you guys my recent Amazon purchases and things that I've really actually been enjoying using. That is actually going to conclude this video. I'm really working on getting a solid upload schedule, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we can be uploading on specific days of the week. Once I decide on those days, I will be sure to let y'all know. Make sure you leave a like on this video and also subscribe if you're not. That way you can see the next time that I do post, because I don't want y'all to miss out on anything. This is gonna be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.